Hey, what is up guys? Welcome back to another video. You're catching me here. I'm gonna be shooting another video for you guys in my car because I'm about to go pick up a phone. Obviously I'm on the grind, so that isn't gonna stop me from making a video. So today I'm gonna be talking about exactly what is really the best time to start phone flipping and why. So with that said, let's get into today's video. So before I actually get into the video, I just want to inform you guys that I'm going to be doing a live Q&A this Sunday. I don't know what the exact date is, but at 3 p.m. Mountain Standard Time, because that's in Arizona. So at 3 p.m. Mountain Standard Time, join me at this YouTube. I'm going to be doing a live Q&A. You guys can answer as many questions as you want. I'm going to be doing it for about 30 to 45 minutes. And if you guys aren't able to do it, I'm going to be posting it on the channel in substitution of like an actual video, because that's usually when I film my videos, is around 3 p.m. So if you want to join that, leave a comment down below just so I kind of get an idea of how many of you are going to actually join. And if any other times work best, just let me know. Leave a comment down below, either if you're going to be joining or what the best time works for you on that Sunday. So with that said, what is the best time to really start phone flipping? And I get this question a lot, like, is there a certain time of the month, is there a certain time of the year you should be starting phone flipping? And I'm going to be honest with you guys, right now is honestly the best time. And I'm not saying that because of the date, the time of the year, just like it's end of the month. Yes, the end of the month is a great time to get into it, but there really isn't a best time to get into it other than right now. If you're telling yourself that you don't know if you want to put down the money, you really just need to go for it. If you guys watched my other video when I kind of explained my story a couple days ago, if you want to check it out, just hit that link up above. But as I mentioned, I was scared, but honestly, I watched one YouTube video about a guy that did it. He didn't give any details, and I literally went up and put an ad and bought his phone within 15 minutes of putting up that ad, like literally meeting the person with a phone in my hand in 15 minutes. It was probably the craziest thing ever, but that shows you guys you shouldn't be scared to really take risks. And this is kind of a thing that once you start, it'll be hard to stop, because I guarantee it's a fun thing to have an extra $100 in your hand every single day, or more than that, and that's honestly minimum I've seen. So honestly, the best time to get into this industry is really right now. You just really have to kind of put your foot down, tell yourself, here's my budget. First, set a budget. That's definitely the most important thing. I don't recommend going out spending $500 on your first phone, but with that said, like, if you haven't watched my video, it's basically I put a strategy of go buy an iPhone 6 for 60 bucks. It might take you a little bit longer to find that type of phone, maybe a couple days, but that first phone, you should buy an older generation phone, even if it's like a 6 Plus for like 150, 200, go resell that locally. And then once you get that cash, go and buy a newer phone, one where you can get a little bit more profit on it. And you keep doing that until you start to get capital, and then you're able to go resell on eBay. So it's a great strategy for you guys to go build up your confidence. One, meet as many people as you can to get some experience, and 3, just start making some money. But if you guys are really like questioning if you guys should do it, one thing I always tell people is, if you get scammed on a phone, you have to think of it as you have an asset on you. You're not going to get $0 for that phone. If a phone ends up being bad IMEI, you should be able to buy that phone at a price where if you resell it on eBay, because you can sell those phones on eBay, they don't really have a problem with it, you should be able to get your money back. So there really isn't like this idea that you spend money and then it's just gone if you don't get the right phone. And obviously you guys are going to make mistakes, but you have to consider that you're investing in yourself. That is pretty much the best kind of mentality that you guys should be having, is that once you get started into it, you're going to be making mistakes. But with that said, you have to treat those mistakes as a learning opportunity. As long as you don't make those mistakes 3, 4, 5 times, then you can consider that experience something valuable to you. It wasn't when going out and buying a phone, you're not just buying a phone, you're learning knowledge, you're increasing your sales skills, you're being able to like converse with people. You're gaining a lot of skills that you guys, even if you've been in this for a while, and I didn't notice this till just a couple months ago, how many true experiences I'm going to be able to apply this to later on in my life. I'm not going to be doing phone flipping for the rest of my life, but obviously I'm going to try to scale it to like a 6-figure business. But at some point I'm going to be able to automate that, hopefully, and then invest in other types of business models. So you really, like, I get, like, if you guys like have any doubts, like, you can definitely come to me at any time. Leave a comment down below like what your concerns are. I help a lot of people through it all the time in terms of like really helping them take that leap of faith. But like that's why I created this YouTube channel again, is to like push you guys in the right direction. If I give you all this information, you should be not scared whatsoever to be able to get scammed, get your money like taken from you. You have everything you should know from this channel in a sense, in terms of like the true basics. And yes, there's advanced skills, but those kind of come like kind of naturally, and I can teach those later on in other videos. But with that said, you have the base knowledge. Watch my videos. I don't recommend going out there right now if you haven't watched any of my videos, but definitely watch some of my videos, get the base knowledge. A lot of my older videos are all about like the basic knowledge, checking IMEI, where you should check it for, how not to get scammed, what you should be using the bill of sale for, all that kind of basic knowledge of phone flipping. Check out like 5-10 videos, kind of go through it. And if you have any questions, again, leave a comment down below, whether it's in this video or any video. I respond to every single comment. And so like if you are getting into this, another thing is I did release that iPhone flipping starting pack. It'll kind of help you get into it. It's only $30 and you make $100 per flip minimum, so it's literally maybe 30% of one flip. It's a long-term investment. It gets you 15 plus pictures, plus that bill of sale to help protect you financially and legally, plus a 30-minute consulting call for me. And especially if you're a beginner, I guarantee that'll help you. And I've seen some really good things come out of it, people that are able to take that next step, or people that have already bought phones and just looking to implement some new negotiation strategies, whatever it may be. I think it has really provided value for a lot of you guys. But so if you are interested in that, hit that first link down below. I guarantee it'll help you. And if you don't like it, I can obviously give you your money back. But with that said, overall, I just wanted to make this video for the one, even if this video affects one person, I just want you to take that leap of faith and go buy that first phone. I guarantee you, once you do it, you're gonna learn a lot, and two, you're gonna have some extra cash on you, because a phone is worth something. It's never worth nothing, unless you're buying like an iPhone 4 or 3, it's just dumb. But definitely just go out there, take that leap of faith. If you have any concerns, let me know. I'm here to help you guys through it. But with that said, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you found it any bit valuable, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you're not in the family, hit that little subscription button down below. I'd really appreciate the support. I'm just pulling up to my phone meetup right now because I only live like 2 minutes away from it. So I'll just be kind of driving in circles just to make this video for you guys. But again, I hope you guys are hitting your goals. Have a great Wednesday. See you tomorrow in the next video.